Imagine a grandmother planning the murder of her own daughter's ex-husband. That's the true story of Donna Adelson. In 2014, law professor Dan Markel was shot dead in his driveway. Why? He was fighting with his ex-wife, Wendy Adelson, over their 2 children. Wendy's family wanted her and the kids to move and live in South Florida, but Dan refused. So Donna, Wendy's mother and matriarch, looked for another way. She decided to eliminate Dan Markel altogether. Donna helped pay for a murder for hire. Her son, Charlie Adelson, worked with his girlfriend, Catherine Magbanua. She then connected them to 2 hitmen who carried out the shooting. Over the years, police uncovered the whole plot. 5 people are now convicted: Donna, her son Charlie, Catherine, and the 2 gunmen. One of the shooters took a plea deal, and others faced life in jail. When the jury found Donna guilty, she cried in court. At 75 years old, she now faces life in prison. Her daughter Wendy, the woman at the center of the whole custody fight, was never charged, and she remains free. They ended Dan Markel's life because he wanted to stay close to his own children. What a shame.
The defendant is guilty of first-degree murder. Mrs. Adelson, control yourself.